Hey everyone, in this video, we will go through the step-by-step process of how to connect Google Drive to Chat GPT. First, open Chat GPT in your browser and log into your account. When the main screen opens, move your attention to the bottom left corner of the page. Here, you will see your profile icon. Click on it to open a small menu. From this menu, select the option called Settings. This will open the Settings panel where you can manage different features and account options for Chat GPT. Inside the Settings panel, look for the option named Connected Apps. Click on it to open the Integrations page. This page shows a list of services that can be linked to Chat GPT for easier access and file sharing. On this page, you will see Google Drive and OneDrive listed with a Connect button next to each of them. To connect your Google Drive, click on the Connect button next to Google Drive. A new window will open asking you to sign in to your Google account. If you are already signed in, you will simply need to choose the account that you want to connect. Select the account that contains the Google Drive files you want to use with ChatGPT. After selecting the account, you may be asked to allow ChatGPT to access your Google Drive. Once you confirm this step, the connection will be completed, and your Google Drive is now successfully linked to your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching.